Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Friday. It's pasta day. I'll get to that in a moment. Last night we were in Sri Lanka, where I prepared malu kirata, also known as a fish curry. This has so many levels of flavor, umami, any other descriptive word you could throw at it. It's just super deep. You build the curry right in the pan. No blending, no mixing, just measure. Excellent. I used cod, which was a good choice because it's a little firmer. I almost went with tilapia, but I decided to go with this new cod that I found at Winco. Very, very good. Must try. 5 stars all the way. All right, like I said, this is pasta day. It is Friday. I am reinstating the Pasta Friday. It's simple, it's fast, as fast as you can boil water, and you know where I'm going with that. And it's an inexpensive meal, but it's got full of flavor depending on how you create it. Let's just see what I've got going so far. All right. Of course, Dutch oven is out for the pasta. That's all I need. Salt, pepper, butter, extra virgin olive oil. We'll have onion, garlic. I'll dice up this tomato. I'll add a few other things. I'm going to the store this morning for my weekly grocery shopping. There'll be some dried herbs, of course, Parmesan cheese, and linguine. So, real quick, that's it. You gotta love a Pasta Friday. It's supposed to be hot. According to Mr. Bob Harlan's weather report this morning, 98 here in Sutter County. Yeah. All right. I'm going to make it quick. Have a great day. Eat great food. And have fun cooking.